All right, you are watching this video because you want to know how to mount the controller adapter on your real putter grip. So keep on watching and I'll show you how it works. So first off, let's talk about this little bracket. So what you will have seen, now there is a little piece of rubber in there, and this piece of rubber is meant to make it so this adapter bracket does not rotate when it's on the club shaft. So all I recommend is just putting this inside the mounting bracket. Come on there. Now mine is already squished because it's been mounted before. This will squish into this bracket, and pretty much after the first time you do it, you don't really have to worry about it. Okay, so all you do is you're gonna align this here in just a few minutes, but basically you want the single hole to be aligned, or at least pretty close to parallel with the face of your putter grip, of your putter. So get that pretty close and then snap it on there. Now I have already mounted this, but you just wrap this guy so the little twisty knob is facing away from the face of the putter grip. So let's just put this on here. Probably gonna mess this up and put it on wrong, but it's okay. Okay, so I'm not gonna really tighten this down very much yet. Yeah, it actually needs to be up just a little bit more for right now. Okay, so all you do, okay, first off, I'm gonna say, see these little brass inserts that I have in here? You just wanna be careful when you're screwing these screws in that they're not cross-threaded, so you wanna just ensure that as you're feeding these in here, if there is taking any force to put it in there, that you just stop and make sure that everything is aligned. Okay, let's put this on here. Okay, I don't normally tighten all of these down until after they're all started and all threaded in there. There it goes. Okay, so as for alignment, what you need to do is you need to make sure that the flat face of the controller itself is perpendicular, so it's at an L to the face of your putter grip. So it needs to be perpendicular to this. So that is the only alignment bit. I'm gonna hold it up so it's, all right, so it is pretty close to perpendicular there. Now, all you need to do from here is just adjust this so it's kind of laying flat, and then just tighten this down. It doesn't need to be very tight, it just needs to be snug. And from here, you are ready to play. As of the recording of this video, I still don't have the preset for Golf Plus, but the guys are gonna be working on it very soon. So hopefully very soon you'll be able to just go into the settings and select the second preset for the RM Designs club adapter. And then you can putt away and have a blast. I think this is just incredible because it allows you to play in VR with your actual putter. Your muscle memory gets to be accurate with the real weight of your club. Obviously the controller and adapter does add just a little bit of weight, but okay, so one last thing. So you can just leave this bracket on here, so it will always be consistent. You just take these 3 screws out, this clamp will hold the adapter on here. Obviously you can take it off if you're gonna go play real golf, but as long as you're gonna be just playing at home, I would recommend leaving that on there so you can switch back and forth. So you're all set. I hope you have a blast. I think you're gonna love it. And yeah, thanks for buying and enjoy.